Hi there, welcome to DevAlpha. Our board to scrap cases data is now ready. In this video, I will show you how to use this board. I will give this file .zip file to you. You will just need to extract it. Once it extracted, open this folder, and here this is our application file. Open this file. Okay, this is our bot. Here you can type your country name or any containing word like China, and here you can type your year. Okay, and just need to click start button. It will auto choose year and it will auto load results. You can see from this scroll down. Once it loads all the results, then it will start to scrap one by one, and it check and match this word. If this word matches, then it will scrap this data. You can pause from here and resume it. As you can see, some matching results are scrapping. Here is the link, here is the date and word containing and the year. And here is another option of themes to change, and here on the progress bar it is showing checked 22 out of 1936. It's mean total results are found in 1936, and it is the current state. Now I'm going to show you how to export this data. So click export button, choose your path. If you don't choose any path, it will export files in this folder, exported file folders. Okay, and you can choose here your output format like this, and if you check this box, it will open the file after exporting. Okay, this is our file, and as you said, you just need these links, so you just need to copy this column and make a new notepad file, and here is the links. You can easily use in both ways. It's your own choice. Okay, and by clicking this button you can delete all of the scrap data. Now I'm resuming it. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.